been so long since I've done a makeup video on YouTube, but I have just been getting so many blessings on blessings on blessings. One of which is being sent the PR package of the James Charles palette along with the sister brush set, Slayer set. And I just had to come on here and give you guys my honest review, including his palette, his sister Slay set, aka his brush set. And when I tell you guys this thing is massive, it is literally like massive. So anyways, I'm just gonna get into it, and this will be my first time using these brushes, so hopefully things work out great. If not, I don't know. And this will also be like a talk through. I'm gonna be following James Charles step by step using his palette on his video and my video using his palette. It's like a art session. First thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is prime my eye. Of course, I picked the look that he said took him the longest and hardest, so this is gonna be a challenge for all of us. Not only am I bad at videos, I'm bad at opening brushes. Ah! I got it! I tried to wear a hoodie like James Charles's 10% off hoodie, and I just look like I'm going to rob a gas station. Am I like the only one that has like leftover lash glue for days? I don't know what can get that out, like an exorcism or something. So new and so beautiful, and I wear pretty melanated makeup, so I'm like so sad that I know. Okay, let's just keep it going just to be on the safe side, and we are going to tape off our eye so that we don't have one anymore. Well, this is going to be such a cute banger. I literally just was like, oh, okay, and tape, not too plain, not too scotchy. You're kidding? And this is what it looks like. It looks so much better in person. Fingers crossed that this works out for us sisters, or I'll be sister stewing. Alright, I'm just gonna go in. Oh my god, I didn't even, I'm a little scared in a good way. Oh my god, I'm literally dying right now. Like, can I look at you guys? Oh my god. James, what are you doing? My god. What are you doing out here in the streets? Kidding. It's called 518. Is that your phone number, James? Is your number 518? Anyways, I'm going in with this fiery orange shade. I love how true orange it actually is. Usually when I get an orange, they're like a little bit sad and depressed, and they've gone through some relationship things. But this is literally just like an orange. She has no baggage. She's just an orange. I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm just gonna like work her close to that red. Huh. Oh my god. Like, can I get an amen in the church, honey? Because this is literally like ridiculous. Okay. I'm pretty sure that they look pretty blended. Ooh, ooh. What are you? Mini firm blending brush. Okay, I'm gonna bust these open. Jeez Louise. I mean, open up. Hey, hello. Oh, it's open. Okay, 1 out of 3. I just love that there's 3 of each. I just cannot get over that. Like, that is such a real makeup artist's like touch. Cause like, God, whatever. Oh, well, I'll put a ring on it because this yellow shade is called B. I watch children's movies and then I take away the wrong messages when I get home. Like, I should have taken away finding your family, and when they say that you're just bad at remembering, you remember them saying it, and you're like, you know what, I remember you. Stupid. Instead, I take away fish or not your food, which they kind of are. Not for me though. I don't really like fish. I'm just yammering. I'm gonna put this up for just a second there. Oh, look at my handprints, you filthy animal. Home Alone. And this is the M224 brush. The delay in that title is sickening. And of course I'm going to cut this crease using this MAC paint pot. I have yet to explore. I'm a loser. But when I do, and I find something better, I will let you know. So far, I like my MAC. But I'm going to go ahead and cut that crease. I like to kind of like stretch my eyelid like, whoa, what did you say about my mom? And then I just bring it on over. Jesus, James, did you really give me that brush that I've been looking for all my life? Did you? Or, oh, dang. I messed my little crease up. Getting too hype. I was getting too hype. I was getting buck. I'm gonna clean this same brush off because I like to rinse and repeat. James gave me so many duplicates so I wouldn't end up doing this, and I never learned. Got it! Got that shade. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this purple shade called Escape. I'm using the same brush, the M224 brush, which is gonna be my new favorite. I'm just gonna let you know that now, guys. Taking that M224 brush, and I'm just going to bring it off on this edge here. I need help. Now I'm gonna go in. I keep doing this. Escape Playground. Alrighty then. I'm going in with this blue called Playground. I'm just assuming you had a lot of fun out there, James. I wanted to be out there with you, James. But like that. My eyes look like Fruit Loops. It's okay. I like Fruit Loops. So the next color I'm going to go in with is Hello, which is this color right here. That's really what it's called. It's called Hello. It's this one. It's beautiful. You're going to love it. Watch. Possibly be the best like sunset cut crease I've ever done. It's the only one I've ever done, so it says a lot. I'm just kidding. I'm not that dumb. I've done plenty. I've done my share. But I'm going to go in with Playground using this M433 brush just to juice up the colors. See? Once you got those training wheels on, then you can ride with the big boys using a blending brush. Yes, honey. Escape again. Let's escape. Broom. Broom, broom. I'm done with my life right now. I am far not worthy to give them their proper blend. This brush, however, is more worthy than I shall ever be. Because he's an artist, and I'm an artist too, and I want to be James. I'm grabbing this shade right here with my finger. He's like, I didn't tell you to do that, sister. Sister, I'm doing it, though. I'm going to take Artistry just where he put his, which was kind of like over the tail end of that purple. This is the part where I shut the camera off, put a new battery in, and get some things going magically onto the other eye. So, just a second. Okay, let's see what sister did in the rest of his. Okay, he didn't put any liner. Oh, he did the bottom eye. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna peel her, and then I'm just gonna quickly do some foundation and nothing major. Let's see if he's got some facial brushes in here. That would be a dream come true. Oh, wow. He does. Let's see if they have like a cheek contouring brush in here. Contour brush. Well, say no more. Oh snap, I didn't even tell you. This was the E4 brush, and I'm about to use the E62. That double take was harsh, wasn't it? I was like, that E62. Okay, let me clean my hands off. If he gave you contour, right? I'm gonna see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he gave me a shade of Scam Likely. Always. Hello?
A new health insurance plan for the new year.
Is there a highlight in here too? James, can you cut it out now? I can't. So I'm gonna go in and just quickly finish the under eyes. Oh, perfect. I got those brushes that I love to use for my under eyes. Girl. I almost ripped a tooth off with that one. Now that was something serious. James, why are you so loving? Huh? Huh, James? Huh, James? Huh? Am I the only one that looks at yourself crazy in the mirror? I'm pretty sure this is highlighting brush. Damn it. Okay, it's getting down to the crunch time. It's getting to the crunch time, honey. These batteries are dying. This camera card is getting full. And I've got to hurry up. I'm literally shocked at how buttery this comes on and how like flattering it is. Like, and I think it's safe to say universally flattering because he looked amazing in this highlight. And I look amazing in this highlight. So it's James. I'm not, you don't even get James anymore. My Latina's coming out. You're getting Yames. I mean, the colors are just phenomenal. And they did not give me any issues whatsoever. Like, I couldn't be happier. Like, it just looks so good. Like, it looks so good. James, you did the bomb. I didn't even put highlight on the inner corner. Like, I'm losing my mind right now. But for the most part, this just looks fantastic, James. 2 thumbs up for me. For now, make sure you guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, hit that thumbs up if this was very informative for you making your decision to buy it. Though it may be sold out in some places, it will be back in stock, I'm sure. But anyways, if you found this informative, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what other reviews you'd like to see me do, and I guess I'll catch you guys later. Bye.